Takže čaute, ja som Kojot a vítam vás u prvého videa. Budem točiť hlavne Assassin's Creed 2 a ešte si konečne nastavím a môžeme sa do toho pustiť. Titulky, vytvorím si nový príbeh, to som už troška skúšal hrať, ako hra je už dosť stará, ale aj tak som sa rozhodol, určite ste mnohí prešli, nechám ukážku.
Waged by two groups I never thought were real. Templars and Assassins. The Animus showed me the truth. The things I've seen, the things I've been. 1,000 years of history flowing through my veins, brought to life by this machine. They're using me to search for something. Call it the Apple. It's an artifact, one of many so-called pieces of Eden. Templars collect them. It's how they stay in power. And if the Templars get their hands on another one, everything will change. They want to make us all their slaves. When they first brought me here, I was afraid of what would happen if I tried to fight back. Now? Now I'm afraid of what will happen if I don't. But I can't do it alone. And maybe I don't have to. I met someone. Her name is Lucy. I think she's on my side. She's gone now. She's taken away by that bastard Warren Vidic and his Templar masters. I don't know what will happen to her, or what will happen to me. All I know is I need to get out of here. And I need to do it soon. My name is Desmond Miles, and this is my story.
No. Čo som to vravel? Že ste mnohí prešli, ale určite by ste sa možno chceli pozrieť, ako to failím ja, lebo v Assassin's Creed neviem, či som moc, asi som není moc dobrý. Aspoň teda v jednotke.
Lucy, where have you been? Why did they...
Now.
Choď. A v jednotka ani neviem, ako sa skončila, ale viem, že ste v Altair. Takže asi tak. A v túto dvojke budete Ezio.
We have maybe 10 minutes, maybe, before they figure out what I've done. If we're not out of here and on the road before then.
Wait, we're leaving?
Desmond, I promise I'll answer all of your questions later. But right now, I need you to just shut up and do what I say. So please, get in the Animus.
Skôr ľahni si na Animus. Akože prejdeme tých 10 minút, vlastne nebudeme ani nič robiť, sa mi zdať. Subjekt 17. Ja som si nedal stopky, chytil som ako Brian. Nevadí, tak odhadom urobím nejaké 15 minútové 20. Videjko. Krič! Spingi!
Di nuovo!
To neviem, čo bolo.
Sì, brava!
Brava! Ezio! To som ja. Fúha.
Oh, my love. Mi dispiace, I was at the bank when they told me. Did I miss it? Am I too late? Give him here.
Giovanni.
Daj ho sem.
It will be all right. Tu sei un uditore. Sei un combattente.
Ty ho nezarčeruj ma.
Perciò combatti.
Preboha. No a toto sa mi nelúbi. Namiesto klávesu to dávajú jaké nohy a hlavy a... Počkaj, to bude toto. To bude toto. Aha, to nič. Toto. A toto. 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 Dobre.
Listen to him.
Dobre, ja.
A fine set of lungs.
And what shall we call him, my love?
Ezio.
Coyote.
Ezio Auditore
The
da
Coyote.
Firenze.
Z domova. Anonymous, vieš ako. Dúfam, že ma aj počuť, lebo ja rozprávam dosť divne a nezrozumiteľne. Dúfam, že ma bude počuť na tom mojom šitnom mikrofóne a v tom šitnom let's play.
There isn't time, Desmond. We have to leave.
Díky za pozornosť. Ja som práve vylezol z nad časovej veci, to bolo však pojne, aha. A ona mi nedá ani chvíľku na zotavenie. No vieš?
Really getting out of here, huh?
Laguje, vieš.
Sturgo's got some fucked up interior decorators.
Stay close.
Stay
Hey!
close.
You're not supposed to be up here! Open this door!
No určite to otvoríš rukami.
We have a breach in the research wing. I repeat, there's been a breach in the research wing. Requesting
Nice
backup
walls.
from all available...
Fancy. Why, these...
There they are! Don't let them get away!
Tento part by som dal iba, kým sa dostaneme k tým debilom s tým novším Animusom a potom by som... možno aj natočím aj 2 za sebou, ešte uvidím.
Look at this place.
Tu chodia kapo, ne, s tými rukami, jak drápy, keby mal. Si dal zvyku, kamoča.
I rigged them to loop old footage. How do you think I managed to hide all your nighttime snooping from Abstergo?
You're good.
So I've been told. But they're on to us now. We need to hurry.
You don't say, typo. You don't say!
Careful.
Careful. Jeď.
We need to get to that elevator on the other side of the
Dobre,
room.
všetkých pobijeme,
Follow my lead,
zabijeme.
but keep an eye out
Podpálime
for
to tu a
security.
vybuchneme to.
I'd rather avoid a
Rozumiem.
fight.
No jeď, poď hlavne. Nemám čas. Ako ty vravíš.
Is that an Animus?
To bol Animus. Ježiš, mám bude to ešte dosť chlapček.
Stay close.
Poď, nikto tu není, pozri.
What the? How many of them are there?
Dosť.
Stay close.
Udržím sa u teba. Nikto by nás nevidel vôbec.
Is it Animuses? Animi? What do you think, Lucy? Lucy? What are they
No
doing?
krič tu ešte, ty debil.
Desmond, shut the fuck
Asi tak.
please. Fuck. I thought this card would work.
Fuck!
It must be on a separate system and I don't have the code.
Dobre, nežvaň.
Shit. Come on.
A teraz to správnu, do tretice všetko dobre. Čo vravím?
How did you do that?
I
Neviem.
don't know.
Poj.
Let's go. It's always something.
What was that in the Animus? Subject
Whoa.
16? Ezio,
Vieš, ako si odkrvil, ešte také...
I think we've been
so
wrong
sexy,
all along.
so sexy.
That's why we need to get out
No
of here.
divočo, sú už dozadu.
Vidic and the
Ale
Templars,
neboj sa, poď,
they're only
to
part
voliť
of the
troška.
problem.
Stlač
What do you
stopku,
mean?
dávaj,
I'll
poď.
explain when we get there.
Get where?
Dávaj, dávaj. Kde sa otačáš? Tam sa dívaj na ňu, nie? A ideme sa biť. Boj sa no. Teraz sa ti tie drapy hodia, chlapče. Teraz mi daj na hubu. Dávaj do nich. Do nich. Teraz takto zozadu. Fuck. Ježišmária. No, lavička. Ty vole. Brán. Ty vole, videli ste to? Jaké kombo? No dívaj sa, traja na jedného chudaka. Traja vycvičení hajzli proti jednomu asasínovi. Aj keď teraz som nemal svoje hračky, ale nevadí. Dívaj, to sa na mňa díva. Čo bolo? Čo, to je bourak, vidíte to? Vidíte? Ty kokos. Ale nízkoprofilovky malo dobré.
You're joking.
It's for your own protection.
Man.
Oh man. A už ma nenájde nikto, nikdy. A takto zaniká Assassin. Aha. Aha. Teraz si hovorí, no som v prdeli. Teraz zastaví, vybere ho. Nie som v prdeli. Viem, že moja hladina humoru je teraz nízka.
Thanks for that.
Na to si zvyknete.
Great. Shoving the trunk, bouncing around. Love it.
This way.
Kde už není zázračnosť
So,
krvi.
tell me what's going on now?
Stačí jedna vrázda v aute.
Figures.
Ó, daj mi sa na tom
Or
zajazdiť.
what? Another treasure hunt through time?
Zarazíme ju rýchlo. Poď, poď.
The
Nejde.
map your
Ne,
ancestors found
ne,
guarantees it. The other assassins,
Kombujem do vozíka.
they'll do what they can, where they can, but
Ó,
What? What is it?
we're losing.
ja si nezaťa horizontancovať.
The Templars are too powerful, and every day more of us die.
I still don't see
Vidíš,
how
ako
I
sa viem
can
točiť?
fix it.
Pozri sa, ako viem
We're
točiť.
going to train you,
Aha, ty
turn
nemáš,
you into
aha.
one of us.
Aha, lagy, aha. Už to je normálne.
Desmond,
No.
over here.
No, you've seen me in
Ale
action.
dobre.
I'm no good at this, and even if I was, it would take months.
Tu je, vidíš, že korytnačka na ono.
No, not with
Poď.
the Animus. Not with
Dívej,
the bleeding
jak
effect.
si mi praktívny slovku pravieš? Si mi nedala zabehať, ja teraz bežím
Sometimes
maratón.
that's all you need.
Poď.
So
Hore,
that's why you found him.
dole,
My ancestor.
hore.
What was his name?
Aha, takže dole. Takže teraz, hore.
If you
Hore.
can follow in his
dole.
footsteps, you'll learn everything he did.
Dúfam, že
Just
dám maratón. Hore,
years
dole.
of training, absorbed in a matter of days.
A dívaj
You
tuto.
broke me out of Abstergo
Hore.
and brought me here just to make
Dole.
me an assassin?
Hore. Dúfam, že dám ten maratón londýnsky. Ale... Zatiaľ čo pôjde Saga na bicykli a budem bežať vedľa neho, lebo ja sa tu teraz vyskylím úplne v behu. Tak nič.
Look, there's more to it than that, but it'll have to wait. Trust me, okay?
Jasné.
All right, I'm in. Tell me what you need.
Really? You're sure?
I thought you'd be happy
Ty
about
teraz takú facku.
Sorry, I'm just a little surprised. I spent the whole ride over here figuring out how I was going to convince you to do this.
Save it. After what those Templar
Stačí to,
bastards,
že máš modré oči.
I'm ready, willing, and able.
Thank you.
A osprchuj sa. Či si nejaký vytočený chlapče.
Lucy, you made it. God, it's been so long. 7 years, can you believe it?
Indeed. Welcome back. Ah, so this
Happy
must
nerd.
be the infamous
Ooh.
Subject 17. Desmond Miles, was it?
Who are you?
I'm sorry, where are my manners? I'm Sean Hastings. This is Rebecca Crane.
Nice to meet you, Desmond.
Right, well, it's been lovely
Dobre,
chatting, but if you
tu by
don't
som
mind,
diel
Desmond,
ukončil
it's
pri
best we get
týchto
straight to
nerdoch.
work. Time is precious.
Bolo to
These
ako,
days.
berte to ako
We've
nejaký
got everything
pilotný
set up
diel
and ready,
mojej
Lucy.
tvorby.
Just say the word
Failovej.
and we'll get going.
Here, I brought you
Možno ešte
something.
dneska bude ďalší
A
diel,
parting gift
uvidím
from
ako
Abstergo.
budem na tom,
The memory core.
lebo
This is
mám
amazing.
ešte
With
nejaké
their data, things are
povinnosti.
gonna go a lot faster.
Takže ešte tu povravíme s tými dvoma hajzlami, či troma, či nie dvoma. A ukončím diel, takže typkyňa tu.
Hey, Desmond, what's up?
Just
What's up?
wondering what your role is in all this.
What's up, bro?
I take care of Baby. It's my job to keep her
hey.
up and running.
Baby? You mean the Animus?
Actually, I prefer Animus 2.0, since Baby's twice as awesome as anything you'll find at Abstergo. The Templars might have deeper feelings about it, but they've got no ambition, no passion, no competitive edge. That's
Si
why,
špinavá.
even with all their resources,
Okúpej sa.
anything they can do, I can do better. Faster, too. Anyway, take a seat when you're ready,
Anyway.
and we can get started.
Anyway,
I just
sadni
need
si a
to make
počítač, ja idem za tým druhým
adjustments.
debilom. Pozri sa, ako sa viem točiť. To je čo? Vidíš, takú helikopteru si ešte nevidel.
What's all this stuff for?
This stuff, Desmond. Oh, this stuff is nothing special, really. This
Stuff.
It's just the stuff that keeps our entire
Stuff.
operation from falling apart, really. It requires a great deal of concentration to keep it all moving, so you'll forgive me if
Ja
I
myślę, że
don't
się modry,
play
hej?
meet and greet.
Sean's in charge of maintaining our knowledge archives. It's like a digital library. He'll be writing
It's like a
with me
library
while you're in the Animus. So if you come across anything of note, people, places, events, etc., he'll create database entries you can consult for additional information.
Dajcie nejaký poradný počítač, že pôjdem domov.
Databases, though. I also provide tactical support for the other assassins. You know, Desmond, the ones who are out there, actually doing stuff, risking their lives, little things like that.
No. Ďalší debil, ešte sa si musím spojiť práve sem tu. Neviem, jak sa volá.
Hey, listen. I just wanted to say thank you. And that I'm sorry.
Sorry?
Yeah, you know, before. Everything at Abstergo.
Vieš, povedal som ti, že sa môže kúpať. A ty si to urobila. Si bez krve.
No. Going through all that. Knowing that the Templars still exist. What they're planning.
What's done is done, Desmond.
Aj bože, tam potlíte jednu
That's what matters.
atomovku, máte poprdeli. No dobre, už si môžeme sadnúť a ukončiť diel, či ešte máte niečo proti mi? O, dívaj sa, aký sú richtovní hoši. Vlastne babi a hoch.
So how does this work? Of course.
Vychnem ti to do riti a budeme pripravení.
Oh, what are you, a tiny child?
Bolo to hlboko, že?
Sean!
Well...
Ja som sa opýtal.
Here we go.
No. To by som to niekde rád uvoľnil. Či pre Boha ukončil. Si môžem, dúfam, že sa mi to uloží, nechce sa mi ísť znova z tento kráľ. No každopádne pre vás to znamená koniec prvého dielu. Dúfam, že sa vám páčilo, lajkujte, odberajte, komentujte, neviem, či som to povedal. A zatiaľ, čau.